Hello food lovers and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. So today we're going to be doing baked macaroni and cheese. If you are new here, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much, and you know I love and cherish you. So let's go ahead into this recipe. In a large saucepan, add in melted butter over low heat and add in your flour and stir with a wooden spoon until smooth. Increase the heat to medium and cook stirring until the mixture turns light and golden brown. Gently add in your milk and your whipping cream and stir gently until well incorporated. Simmer your sauce for about 5 minutes until nicely thickened. Once your sauce is thickened, go ahead and stir in your mustard, nutmeg, cayenne pepper, salt, and equally your black pepper. Give your sauce a good stir, and the next thing you want to add is your grated cheese. The last thing you need to add to your sauce is your cooked macaroni. Add and then toast to blend. Look at that, fam. You need your macaroni to be creamy as this, like wow, so that when you bake it, it's not dry and you can eat it without stress. Pour in the macaroni mixture into the prepared baking dish and bake for 30 minutes until the mac and cheese is bubbly. Top your mac and cheese with the remaining cheese. This time around, you'll need to reset your oven to the broiler setting and broil until the cheese has slightly blistered and is lightly brown. Food is ready, family, so it's time to eat. Make sure you eat your mac and cheese hot because it's amazing when it's hot. Thank you so much for being with me throughout this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Take care. See you next week. God bless you. Bye.